If you ever find yourself in Fairbanks, take the time to go to Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum. This place is awesome. If you like cars, if you don't like cars, if you like period correct clothing, whatever you want, it's there. Videos on how it used to be back in the day. My wife, not really a car person, but she absolutely loved this place because every one of their automobiles is spectacular. This is the garage that they actually work on everything in. Those two cars right there were the only cars in the whole exhibit that did not run at the time. Everything else is running condition. And when it's nice out, not in the winter or when they got snow or anything, they take them outside, drive them down the street or around in the parking lot, and then bring them back inside. This right here is an amazing piece of history. This was the first ever car that was built in Alaska, and I don't know how they got their hands on it, but it is really cool to see. It has all the information about the automobile, some of the trips they took with it, and just everything else about it. It was really cool to see people's ingenuity for getting around in the snow. Here was some examples of the first snowmobiles, and I was quite impressed with the Fordson, and the video shows here just how cool it was. I tried to take a picture of pretty much everything in here. There was just so much to see. Everywhere you turn, there was just something else to look at. Be it clothes or hats or just whatever. I mean, anything that went with that time period was there. What really impressed me about this whole place is not only did they have the information about the car, they had other historical things about it, the price it was back when it was produced, and if you did some of these conversions to today's money, some of these cars were very expensive. So back in 1912 and 13, we came across two vehicles that were all electric. So the first one being this one, which is the 1912 Rauch and Lang. So it cost $2,900, and they only made 600 of them, and it could get up to 70 miles in one charge. So it's using a 80-volt electric motor. How cool is that? And then the other one is this Argo. Very big, spacious. Yeah, those are not seatbelts. Those are just holding on. Yeah, or oh crap handles is what most people call. Yeah. Yeah, and it was, these tires are from Akron, Ohio. Look, hat rack. Can you see the hat rack? There's a reflection. Let me see if I can. And then this actually has light bulbs for headlamps and marker lamps. So this one, they only made 500 of. It was $3,100. It uses a 80-volt Westinghouse, and it gets 75 miles per charge. It'd be cool if they had them open so you could actually see the motors. But that's pretty cool. I mean, in 1912, having electric when it was just starting to be popular. So, and here we are in 2021, and all the electric craze is starting to happen. Pretty awesome. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. It was great to take a step back into history and see how everything was back then. And until next time, I'll see you later.